What if I told you a Kenyan father was ordered to pay for everything, even though the mother earned the same salary? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover the landmark court ruling that's rewriting the rules of child support and what it means for every separated parent in Kenya. Meet a father we'll call James, a professional with a stable income. After separating from his wife, she moved their two children from Kilimani to Ongata Rongai, the lower court's decision. He had to pay nearly all costs. School fees, transport, clothing, everything. For years, many Kenyan fathers have felt like ATMs, expected to cover all expenses even when both parents work. But here's the twist. James appealed. He argued he was being punished for decisions he didn't make, and the High Court just agreed with him in a seismic ruling. This is case JNM v. LGM, Appeal E107 of 2024, delivered by Justice Helen Namisi on December 5, 2025. The court drew a clear line. Shared parental responsibility does not mean punishing one parent financially while excusing the other. Justice Namisi ruled the law does not intend to turn one parent into an ATM. Where both parents have the means, contribution must be fair, realistic, and focused on the child. But here's the part that will blow your mind. The court found the mother's decision to move far from the children's original school created extra transport costs, and those costs should not automatically fall on the father. In other words, you can't create an expense and then send the full bill to your ex. This is a complete reset. So how much will each parent pay now? Here's the breakdown. The father will continue paying school fees and related costs like lunch and activity fees. The mother will cover daily school transport and clothing for the children while in her custody. Both parents must maintain medical insurance, and they must share school holidays equally. But wait, there's more. The mother had filed a cross appeal seeking full custody. Justice Namisi rejected it. The court affirmed both parents retain joint legal custody of the two minors. This rejects the outdated idea that young children should automatically stay with their mothers. The judgment emphasizes Kenya's constitution, gives equal parental rights and duties to both parents. This is a major milestone for family law and gender fairness in Kenya. It tells fathers the law now recognizes their role beyond just finances. And it tells mothers that financial support is a shared duty, not a gendered expectation. The ruling promises to prioritize the welfare of the child while keeping both parents accountable. But here's the controversy. Some will say this is a win for fairness. Others might argue it could be used to avoid responsibility. The tension is real. For every father who felt exploited, there's a mother who has carried the invisible labor. The court's message is clear: look at the means, not the gender. So what does this mean for you? If you're a separated parent, your financial contribution should reflect your income, not outdated stereotypes. The era of the father as a blank check is over. This ruling sets a precedent. It's about the child's welfare, balanced with realistic expectations from both parents. Do you think this ruling brings true fairness, or does it risk undermining support for children? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that impacts your life.